In this video, you'll learn what UBX is, how it works, how to access UBX, and how to get started. Today's marketers and analysts have an extraordinary array of tools to understand and communicate with customers. In this increasingly fragmented world, how can you get a contextual view across all channels, devices, and interactions so you can deliver a consistent, exceptional customer experience? It's not that we don't have the data, but we can't use it in a coherent way due to the array of platforms and organizational silos. Marketing has trouble getting data from commerce and from services. The end result is that customers have a disjointed experience and don't feel like the business understands them. The solution up to this point has been to create expensive one-off point-to-point integrations that required repeated development efforts and which were difficult to manage and maintain. That's where IBM's Universal Behavior Exchange comes in. IBM Universal Behavior Exchange, or UBX, is a cloud-based service from IBM that provides a way to selectively exchange event, audience, and identity data between various IBM and IBM business partner applications. With UBX, user identities from any channel are joined by a common ID, allowing engagement and analytical problems to be solved within the shared context about a customer. Here are a few examples of how you can use UBX. For example, you want to target first-time buyers so that they become repeat customers. Digital analytics can identify visitors who recently purchased. That information can be sent to UBX automatically and then, in turn, sent to the IBM Marketing Cloud. That recent purchase information can be used with other data, such as opt-in marketing status as criteria for an upsell or cross-sell marketing program. Or, let's say you want to give a little nudge to a stagnant audience or visitors who abandoned a shopping cart. You can identify those audiences using digital analytics or the IBM Marketing Cloud and send them through UBX for targeted ad placement in Facebook. Another use is to optimize offer recommendations on third-party sites with paid media. If a visitor views a product on a website, that data can be sent to a demand-side platform, or DSP. The DSP can send that data to UBX and receive ad recommendations from IBM Interact. The DSP can then bid for and display an ad for the product on a third-party site. Endpoints are the solutions that send data through UBX. Endpoints send or syndicate data through UBX as publishers, destinations, or both. These endpoints can be cloud-based IBM solutions, such as IBM Digital Analytics and the IBM Marketing Cloud. They can include on-premise software as well, such as IBM Campaign and Interact. Because UBX is an open system, there are many endpoints offered by IBM business partners as well. These include demand-side platforms, data management platforms, social publishing, and social media analytics solutions. More solutions are available all the time. You can even configure your own internal applications to be UBX endpoints. Using the UBX APIs, publisher endpoints register and send events and audiences to UBX. Destination endpoints register and receive events and audiences. An endpoint can be a publisher, a destination, or both. Let's take a closer look at the data UBX syndicates. UBX endpoints can publish or receive events and audiences. An event is a single customer behavior. This data is sent through UBX for cross-channel data aggregation and marketing. Some examples of events are: a customer liked a post on Facebook, opened an email, or abandoned a cart. An audience is a group of customers that has been identified within a platform and sent to another for further analysis or targeting. An example of an audience is a group of customers who should see a targeted Facebook ad. Each customer event that enters the UBX system can come from a different channel or data source and can use different ways to identify the customer. The UBX Identity Service is able to see where those identities overlap, so that individual, seemingly separate events can be understood as the actions of a single customer, and thus steps of that customer's cross-channel journey. As UBX receives customer events, UBX attempts to join the incoming identifiers with identifiers that exist in its identity database. Over time, the UBX Identity Service joins unique identifier information that might be common across multiple applications that you define as UBX endpoints within the same user account. The result provides a continuous and evolving view of the customer in multiple contexts. Using your web browser, you access UBX through a secure login that IBM assigns to the UBX account that it creates for your organization. After you access UBX, you can start working or learn about UBX. You can learn more about endpoints, events, and audiences. You can see step by step how to register endpoints, subscribe to events, and share audiences. You can then test drive UBX with simulated data or register your own endpoints. The working environment and data connections that you establish are unique to your organization. IBM keeps your working environment separate from other UBX accounts. If you're already in the IBM Marketing Cloud, using IBM Digital Analytics, or using another qualified IBM Commerce application, simply fill out a form to request access to IBM Universal Behavior Exchange. You'll receive a login and password to the cloud-based UBX system where you can start syndicating data and audiences. You'll be able to generate authentication keys and register other integrated business partner endpoints, custom client endpoints, or IBM on-premise software endpoints. If you're a business partner and want to take advantage of UBX for your solution, register or sign in to IBM Partner World. You'll need to be an independent software vendor, or ISV, to get started. Thanks for watching.